फ्रेंड्स, आज हम देखेंगे बेसिक एमसीक्यूज ऑन रिडम्पशन ऑफ प्रेफरेंसेस फॉर बीकॉम, बैफ, बीएमएस, एबीआई, पीएफएम, आईपीसीसी एंड सीएम। तो स्टार्ट करेंगे बेसिक एमसीक्यूज ऑन रिडम्पशन ऑफ प्रेफरेंसेस। First, the company intended to provide fund for redemption of shares. Create cash, redemption fund, depreciation fund, sinking fund or redemption fund, dividend fund. Company intend to provide fund for redemption to create sinking fund or redemption fund. Answer C. Second, proceeds of fresh issue as a source of redemption can be equity shares, call money on shares, debentures, loan for bank. Proceeds of fresh issue as a source of redemption can be equity shares. Answer A. Third, the premium payable on redemption can be provided out of cash, statutory reserve, capital redemption reserve, security premium, insurance premium. Premium payable on redemption can be provided out of security premium. Answer C. Four, capital redemption reserve is to be created to the extent redemption is out of bank account, new issue of shares, capital profit, divisible profit. Capital redemption reserve is to be created to the extent of redemption is out of divisible profit. Answer B. Fifth, capital redemption reserve can be utilized for paying dividend, issue of bonus shares, set off against losses, write off fictitious balances. Capital redemption reserve can be utilized for issue of bonus shares. The answer B. 6. Capital redemption reserve can be created out of statutory reserve, capital reserve, security premium, free reserve. Capital redemption reserve can be created out of divisible reserve, that is free reserve. Answer D. 7. The amount remaining unpaid to preference shareholders is included in balance sheet as share capital, loan, current liabilities, contingent liability. The amount remaining unpaid to preference shareholders is included in balance sheet under the head current liability. Answer C. 8. Preference shares can be redeemed by issue of preference shares, transfer of investment, sale of fixed assets, set of deferred revenue expenditure. Preference shares can be redeemed by issue of new preference shares. Answer A. Issue of preference shares. 9. The term of redemption is specified at time dash issue of shares, allotment of shares, receipt of application for shares, reissue of shares. The terms of redemption is specified at the time of issue of shares. Answer A. Issue of shares. 10. Divisible profit means dash profit disclosed by profit and loss account, Profit disclosed by profit and loss less dividend tax. Profit available for distribution of dividend. Retained earning. Divisible profit means profit available for distribution as dividend. Answer C. Profit available for distribution as dividend. 11. Securities premium may be used for payment of dividend, issue of fully paid bonus shares, issue of partly paid bonus shares, none of the above. Securities premium may be used for issue of fully paid bonus shares. Answer B. Issue of fully paid bonus shares. 12. Forfeiture of shares is the action taken by the company for issue of bonus shares, cancellation of shares, issue of right shares, none of the above. Forfeiture of shares is the action taken by the company for cancellation of shares. इधर हम shares cancel करते तो आंसर B cancellation of shares. 13. The process of refund of preferential capital is known as repayment, redemption, issue, surrender. The process of refund of preferential capital is known as redemption of preferences. Answer B. Redemption. 14. Dividend is calculated on preference share capital on dash face value, paid up value, market value, none of the above. Dividend is calculated on preference share capital on paid up value. Answer B. Paid up value. 15. Fresh issue of shares is made to provide fund for payment to equity shareholders, preference shareholders, creditors, none of the above. Fresh issue of shares is made to provide fund for payment to इक्विटी शेयर हो सकता है, प्रेफरेंस शेयर भी हो सकता है. हमारा ये टॉपिक है प्रेफरेंस शेयर्स रिडम्पशन. तो रिडम्पशन ऑफ प्रेफरेंस शेयर्स के लिए हम फ्रेश इशू करेंगे तो ये प्रोवाइड फंड फॉर पेमेंट टू प्रेफरेंस शेयर होगा. आंसर बी प्रेफरेंस शेयर होल्डर्स. थैंक यू. शेयर करो, सब्सक्राइब करो, लाइक करो.